Hi, Michael J. Williams, licensed real estate consultant and customer experience specialist with Spica Real Estate. Welcome to our first episode of Give Thanks and Eat Pie. This is called Pre-Planning, and we are in the midst of what is starting out to be a chilly November day. If you're going to be staying here and hosting Thanksgiving dinner, now would be a great time to start doing some pre-planning around the house. This weekend, I took everything out of my refrigerator, washed all the shelves and the doors, and I also put my oven on a clean cycle or self-cleaning cycle and wiped it out. Also, if you're going to be hosting here, think about how many people are coming over, and do we need some extra items like tables, extra chairs? Are we going to borrow them from certain family members? Are we going to rent them? So we want to go ahead and arrange for those things as well. The second thing I did is went through the pantry and marked down a lot of things that we need during the Thanksgiving holiday that either have expired since we haven't used them since last year, or maybe we don't have enough of. Things like cornstarch, aluminum foil, those poultry seasoning, a lot of those items we just use once or twice during the year. Some people here in Grand Rapids like to start their Thanksgiving morning off on a run, and there's a great 5K that's called the Turkey Trot, and it happens off Fuller Street in downtown Grand Rapids. The other race downtown is the Gobble Wobble, and this race starts at 6:30 a.m. on Thanksgiving morning and runs around Reed's Lake. Proceeds to this event go to Kids Food Basket. For those of you that play our Fun Day Monday, Kids Food Basket is one of the charities that Spica Real Estate donates to each and every month. If you think that you might end up not having a place to go for Thanksgiving, why don't you join the 23rd annual Community Thanksgiving Dinner, and it's down at the DeVos Place, and it starts serving food at 11 a.m. and no reservation is needed. All are welcome. That's also a great place for you to spend early part of your Thanksgiving morning volunteering through the Mel Trotter Ministries, and we'll put information here for you to look at. Well, I hope you found a few tips that might get you started in the pre-planning process. Next week we'll talk more about food and some of those other planning opportunities that you have to do during this time. And in the meantime, over the week, if you want to leave some comments down at the bottom, we'll answer those in the next episode. So I appreciate you taking the opportunity to stay with me here on this cold evening as we get our first video rolling. All right, Michael J. Williams with Spica Real Estate. Are interrupting me, and that is not okay. Let the dog out. Oh.